Hey guys, I'm Sun. I'm a privacy and a security researcher, and you're watching the Privacy Guides. One of the first episodes in this series was about configuring macOS for privacy. And I went about showing you guys the settings that I always use. And one of you reached out on Reddit and said, Sun, you missed something. You should always disable Spotlight suggestions because Apple is keylogging everything you're typing in that search bar and sending it to their servers. Now that really blew my mind. Full disclosure, I always use an application layer firewall on my real computer, and I had blocked those requests. That's why it never got to my attention, and I didn't include it in the privacy guide. Now, if you don't know what application layer firewalls are, it will be the subject of a future episode. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, and we'll get there. So let's have a look at what's happening here. If I pop open Spotlight Search and I type something in, as you guys know, it will show results that are found on the file system. What I didn't know is it's also showing suggested websites here. And if it can show that, it means that it's actually computing stuff. Now, I was hoping that was happening on the computer somehow, but no, those, everything you're typing is being sent to Apple, and that's how this magic happens here. Now, on Mac, there's a tool called tcpdump. It's something you run using the command line that allows us to inspect everything that's flowing through our network card, and we can then pipe all of this to grep, which will allow us to see only some lines that we want to investigate, and those lines are the ones that are being sent to Apple when we're searching for things. So if we run that here and we enter our password, mine is shitty because this is a demo computer, yours should be much longer, and we run that. Well, if we pop open Spotlight again and we start typing something in it, so like, who is Sun Knudsen? Well, as you can see, a whole bunch of stuff here on the right is happening. A lot of data is being sent to Apple. This is super frightening because if you go about searching on your computer thinking that it's a search on your computer, well, you may be searching for a social insurance number or any other private piece of information. Whatever you're typing in that box is being sent to Apple servers, and that really is despicable. Thankfully, there's a way to fix this. So if we pop open System Preferences and we go into Spotlight, we can disable Spotlight suggestions and disable allow Spotlight suggestions and lookup. Once this is done, if I select that last line here and we pop open this and we say, why do cats like to play? As you can see, there are no results and nothing happened in the terminal. So that's it, folks. We really have to be careful with the computers that we use. A lot of things that we consider private are actually not that private. I want to send a huge thanks to the person who shared that piece of knowledge with me. The Privacy Guides is a community that we're developing together to share those kinds of insights. So thanks so much for reaching out. And yeah, I hope you found that insightful. If you want to share this content or like it, that's amazing. It helps, with the YouTube algorithm that doesn't really like privacy content actually. So that will help us grow the community. Anyhow, I'll see you in the next privacy guide. Thanks. Bye-bye.